Out of Messenger in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in a quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly you have to know that you can't sign out of Messenger in the Messenger app. So you have to go to the firstly Facebook app, and then you have to go to the Facebook app homepage, and then you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and you come to this page, and then you have to scroll all the way down, and then click on the settings and privacy, and then click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you have to scroll down, and you can see in the security tab you can see the security and login. You have to click on the security and login, and in the second tab you can see the when you are logged in. So you have to find the when you are login tab, and you have to click on the see all in the log where you are logged in tab, and here you can see the all your Facebook and Messenger activity. But you have to sign out of Messenger, so you have to find the Messenger activity. And you can find the Messenger activity by uh, in the says big text, big or bold text. You can see the device and the location of the your device, and in the below this device and device name and the location you can see the your app. So you can see the your Facebook or Messenger app. So you can see the you are logged in Facebook or Messenger app in this device or and location. So in the second option you can see the I am logged in this device in the Messenger app. So you have to click on the second option, which the Messenger. So you have to click on the three dots right beside the Messenger login. So you have to click on, then there is two options, secure account and logout. You have to click on the logout, and when you click on the logout, here you can see the Messenger option is not here. So when you again go to the Messenger, you can see the session is expired. When you click on the OK, then the Messenger you are logging out of your Messenger account. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.